friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishu Fashion. How are you, my dear subscriber, my dear viewers? I have many prayers for you. May God fulfill your life with happiness and prosperity. Hello friends, in this video I will show you the best new eye makeup. Hope this video is useful for you guys. If you like my video, please like, share and comment on my YouTube channel. So dear viewers, in this video you will see the stylish and beautiful outstanding eye makeup. Also you will see the hundreds of new makeup and hundreds of new ideas daily on my YouTube channel. My dear friends, I always try to be useful and stylish makeup. If you like my makeup, please hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. Today I will be showing you the worldwide best fashion. So my friends, please watch my video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Today you can see the different styles of eye makeup in this video. Please watch my video till the end and missing any designs of this video. Also don't forget to clicking the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon you will see all the notification of my latest video. I want to telling you that I'm not selling the product of any makeup. So this video is only made for you. So please friends, support me and guide me and subscribe my YouTube channel. In this video you will see the amazing and new stylish eye makeup. These makeup apply on the parties, wedding functions and informal functions. These makeup are very awesome. Friend, in this video I will show you the best and new makeup ideas. So friend, watch my video till the end. You can see the beautiful and trending makeup. If you can apply of this type of makeup looking yourself in the mirror, I promise you cannot stop yourself to telling you, oh, I am looking so pretty, so beautiful. This type of makeup are specially for you guys. Please apply on it. I always tried my best to something new for you. These makeup are looking very beautiful and gorgeous and very attractive for ladies. You can see different styles of makeup of 2023 to 2024. All these type of stylish and different style of makeup for those ladies who like the latest fashion. Also friend, don't forget to support me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can find hundreds of new ideas and hundreds of new designs daily on my YouTube channel. I would like to introduce about my channel. In my channel I will give you the new trending and different styles of makeup which is about the latest and trending ideas all over the world that make your personality more charming and more attractive. If you are a fashion lover and looking for the latest new type of makeup, then this is a place for you. So friend, sit back, relax and let us help you find the perfect do for you big event. Like and share our video, and if you have something to say, just drop us a comment. Thanks for watching our video, for subscribing and for your comment.